Alright, let's build an infield design. So the surveyor has laid out this lot. You can see the picket there. Right there is a picket. And then there's one right there. It's hard to see. He hasn't painted it here. It's still here doing the survey. So we're going to build an infield design on my screen so I don't lose the picket. So because this particular builder doesn't give us the file, the surveyor comes in and laid it out. So I'm just going to build an infield design in my Trimble earthwork. So if I knocked out the picket, I don't have to worry about them. So they give us a porch picket. You can see one right there and then one right there. Those are for so we know where to bring our services. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to do that while I'm holding my phone here, but I'm going to bring my bucket over to it right there. And then I'm just going to hit the button on my joystick and it's going to create a point there. So this point is going to stay in the system, stay on my screen. And I'm going to do the same with that side right there. I'm trying to do this while holding my phone here. So create another point there. So now I want to know how wide this is. So I'm going to go from this picket right there, and I'm going to go in the system. I'm going to go measure origin. And you can see on the screen it's measuring from that point to wherever else I'm going to reach. So I'm going to go to the other picket, which is the other corner. I'm going to have to move closer. So the distance between those two pickets is 12.15. So now I'm gonna get out of there. Now I'm gonna go job setup. So I'm already in infield. I'm gonna go design. I'm gonna go create, alignment and section, focus point. So my bucket's on the corner of the building, so I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go select. I've already got the elevation for this one, which is 97.34. So I'm gonna change the elevation. That's now for the bottom, so 97.34. That's supposed to be my bottom elevation. I'm gonna go okay. So now I'm gonna go. I gotta go to the back picket. Oops, sorry about that. This is the back corner of the house. Bucket right here on the picket. I'm going to create another point, and I'm going to change that elevation for the same 97.34. Select. So that's the straight line. So I'm going to go next on screen. Then I know it's a flat bottom, so you could create all kinds of design with this, but I'm just going to do a straight line. It needs to be 0 because it's flat, so 0, and it's supposed to be 12.15 across. It's a measurement we took earlier. Done. So we move to the next line. So here's our design. This is our square area, so I'm going to give it a name. So this is called Blackstone lot number 250. Save. So if I select this, apply. So now we have elevation for our, I'm doing all this one end in here, so if I go on my screen, it's telling me that I have a 1.4 meter cut, 1.8 meter, depending which corner of the bucket you use, but I got my cut. And then if I turn around, those blue dot on my screen right here are those points I created earlier. So those are my porch pickets, so I know where to bring my service. So this is it. That's pretty easy to build infield design with Trimble earthwork.